guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rico. I'm here with VQ Brian.
Hello, guys.
We are currently heading out to Z-Tuner. Got some surprises in store for you guys. Today is going to be the official dyno day. We're going to get this thing retuned on a nice 75 shot to start, and then with Harry's blessing, we'll up it up to a 100 shot. So we'll see how everything goes. We're looking forward to it. It's gonna be a good time. We also have a couple other guys going out there with cars that we've worked on, like corn-fed 350Z, Lush's Z34. All in all, it's gonna be a good day. A whole bunch of dyno passes, so we're gonna have some fun. So we're out here right now. We're currently working on corn-fed 350Z's engine. Shout out to Z1 Motorsports. Got us the new Z1 Plenum Spacer, so it's gonna be sick. Of course, Brian again. Thanks, Brian, the workhorse. My Z right now, we're just leaving it running so we can get the bottle heated up and everything, so should be able to make a couple passes here and see how she does. If for whatever reason I don't get enough pressure in the bottle, I do have an entire new bottle in the trunk that I could just swap in there, and then I will be at the pressure I need to be at. We'll see where we go with this and everything, but it's gonna be fun. We're strapping in the 350Z now, the blue one, the corn-fed 350Z. Keep in mind, E85, full bolt-ons, everything. And then we did a couple other mods for them, and we got some more stuff coming soon. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and get it retuned. It's already on E85. We're gonna go ahead and just make sure everything is smooth on it, make everything perfect. We'll see how much power this thing makes. Quick update with Daniel's corn-fed 350Z. So we just had it on the dyno. We pulled around 265-ish. So it's definitely down in horsepower. We can't really figure out why. It's running super rich. So we're trying to figure out, what specifically is causing that issue. We're not going to really be able to diagnose the issue today, I don't think. But Daniel's going to take it back to his place and kind of tear it apart and figure out what's going on, why it's causing that problem, and why it's not, pulling the amount of power it needs to. That being said, we'll obviously come back to the dyno later on with his car to see, what we can do with it to kind of bring it to the next level. So I didn't get it on camera, but we just did a final pull here on the corn-fed 350Z. We pulled 280 out of it. So we're thinking that we just need to let the engine cool down a little bit. So we're gonna add timing, is that right?
I think we're gonna add some timing, see if it likes it or if it blows up.
Harry, he said go moon tune, send a rod to the moon.
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
We threw a bag of ice on, let's see if this does it. So our ice theory didn't quite work out the way we wanted it to. Granted, we only left the car off for a couple of minutes while we threw that ice on there. So it's at 276 horsepower right now. It did make 293 before, so we just gotta figure out where the issue's coming from and everything, kind of make adjustments as needed. We've officially decided that Daniel's crazy. We're gonna up the timing on this car. Don't do this at home. We're doing it for science!
Yes, science!
So it looks like the car made about 278 horsepower, so it's only a 2-3 horsepower gain for upping it only 1 degree of timing. So with Daniel's car, after adding 2 degrees of timing, the car only went up like a little bit in horsepower. I think it went like 3 horsepower. Oh my God. This is really about to happen. So 279 horsepower is what we did. 32 degrees of timing. At this point, time to go back to the drawing board, figure out what we can do to make more power on it. So we'll see, little by little. All right. So my prediction on E85 with a retune, we're probably gonna make around the same horsepower. It is pretty hot out today. And then soon after that, we'll go ahead and spray it. We'll see, here we go. on pressure, so we should be good to go. It worked there.
Yeah, fires look good, but
Yeah.
I saw some smoke out of the bag.
Okay. Sad day, guys. Old Faithful here. We did a last pass on the dyno, spraying it on nitrous, and that was the last pass that she made. She didn't make it. So cylinder 2 now has about 90 compression. Healthy compression on these motors is anywhere from about 150, 160-ish. Cylinders seem to test out around 150 on compression, but cylinder 2 is down, so it runs like crap right now. It's done, so we're going back to the drawing board. We're gonna have to figure out, but that's how things happen, you know, it's racing, and you know, we'll just come back stronger than before and figure out, you know, what the next best thing is gonna be. So stay tuned, because we got more coming your way with the silver bullet here. We're gonna figure out what the next step's gonna be. I still cannot believe I blew that up. That's crazy. I did not think that was gonna happen, but that's life, I guess, right? And if you haven't seen it already, we actually just dropped the new shirts on our website, VQ Boys Performance. So if you want to support the build and help support me get a new motor in the car, hit that link in the description. Definitely pick up a shirt, because yeah, we're gonna need that. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, because it helps us to keep growing and keep doing crazy stuff with that silver bullet. So until next time, guys, later.